Delkor is a leading manufacturer of case packing and cartoning equipment. With a full lineup of intelligent packing technology and the expertise to engineer fully integrated packaging systems, Delkor is the preferred supplier for many leading coffee, tea, and beverage providers. We've specifically re-engineered our versatile LSP series case packer into the LSP coffee case packing line, with multiple styles of loaders combined into a single monoblock system working together towards a complex packaging solution. Delkor's Performance Series case packer handles a range of containers from cups, pouches, or cartons, all with quick toolless changeovers between each style. The modular design of the Performance case packer makes it compact and economical, turning it into a great solution to a wide variety of applications. With an ability to form Delkor's Cabrio case, club store style trays, cartons, and brown box shippers, the Trifecta series formers are the perfect match to many of Delkor's systems. Adjustable cavities offer a great tolerance with these machines, and drop-in template designs make sure changeovers are a breeze. The Delkor S-Series closer is able to reach speeds up to 175 cases per minute. This machine is able to close tri-sealed cartons and can perfectly align the flaps to ensure graphics are displayed correctly. All Delkor equipment is designed and manufactured in Minneapolis, Minnesota. With 350 plus employees and over 300 square feet of production space, we stand ready to provide fully tested packaging systems for your next project. Thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.